Hey guys, so yeah, it's gonna be a hard day for me because of the fact that the ex of the guy that I like, I hope that she gives him the chance to figure out what he wants. If she doesn't, she's not loyal, she's not caring, she just wants him. And I'm going to talk to him about this, if she is going to do, and I think she will, because of the fact that she's kind of I'm gonna take this one. Lights out. She's kind of a girl who wants everything that she can get of everything. So that's not good. So going early tomorrow morning because of the fact that it's windy outside. I'm doing this out of precaution. Later, okay? Bye. Kelia. Yay! Hey, Kelia. Hey, Kelia. Hey. Oh, Kelia. Hey, Kelia.
Nee, die poosje liggen.
Oké.
Lekker knorren.
Er zijn geen mousse-kleuringen, maar het is maar 1 kleur per mousse. Aanbrengen, net zo gemakkelijk als een shampoo, inmasseren en klaar. Het resultaat fantastisch. Perfect intensief, perfecte glans, perfect.
Ik ben een beetje moedeloos.
En natuurlijk alle benodigde vitamines en ijzer. L-Fortis is uniek voor baby's. Nestlé Goede Start opvoedmelk is gemaakt voor tevreden baby's. En als je baby tevreden is, ben jij het ook. En kun je lekker genieten van het
Nee, Dumpy.
De Cashshop 4% afslag. Kortingen tot 75%. Een Polaroid 10-inch tablet voor maar €125. En zo zijn er nog meer dan 1000 topproducten voor spectaculaire prijzen. Ga naar de winkel of bestel cashshop.nl. Verwen uw voeten met Plashy, de superabsorberende microvezelbadmat van JML. Plashy voelt warm en zacht aan en is in een wipwit droog. Plashy is superabsorberend en neemt 4 keer zijn gewicht aan water op. Dankzij de anti-sliplaag glijdt de mat niet weg, ook al is hij kletsnat. Plashy is verkrijgbaar in 3 kleuren en...
Kelia. Kelia. Okay. So I got some cleaning stuff. If it works. You guys feel clean? It's a lot better. I hope. Not very much. My computer is clean again. So yeah, awesome. What I need to do? Oh yeah, I know what I need to do. I need to edit a vlog. So I'm going to do that and upload that. And I'm gonna see you guys. Hey guys, I just have to tell this. I was at this store where they sell records and music store, and it was swinging, and I loved the music, and then I heard Michael Jackson. And I was like, what the, huh? And I heard the song of They Don't Really Care About Us. It's from the new CD, Michael Jackson Immortal. And it's so freaking good, because they remixed it, the songs, and changed it, and made it much more better. I mean, I can't let you hear it, guys, because it's copyrighted. I know it's copyrighted. It's copyrighted, right? I could buy it on iTunes. But I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm gonna buy it when it's cheaper. It's now 20 euros, and on the internet it's 15. I'm like, So, anyways, I'm gonna listen to it. So it's almost 11:30 at night. Look, I hope you can see it. Yeah, 11:40. Almost 5 more minutes. So I'm gonna end my vlog today, and yeah. I just talked to someone who's also a YouTuber. I know he sees my videos, so I know I'll be talking about you. So I got scared. I was like, what is going on? What is ringing? And I was like, no, it's not Skype. No, it's not MSN. What is it? So I looked at Facebook, and there was this request of a video chat, and I was like, huh? Who's that? And then I saw him, and I was like, oh, hi! So, that was funny. I got scared 2 times today. Like freaking hell. Scared on Facebook, scared on the store. Because of the fact that we went to the Jumbo, and there was this cardboard, and we just went through the gates to go in, and he was singing. The cardboard was singing, and I was like, what is this? So I got pretty scared about that. About a cardboard. Come on. I want to see again. Okay. Oh, it's annoying orange.
Now, the kitchen cat. We're out of here. Hey, who cut the cheese? Oh wait, it was me.
He destroyed the moon.
Enjoy the video, and as always, have a nice day. Watch out! Incoming!
For the moon. Party rock with Daystorm. That's awesome. I wanna see a cater's flock. Come on. OBF versus GF. Nope, not yet. Okay, let's watch some Toby Turner. I haven't seen him in a while, so I'm gonna watch him.
But a centimeter is definitely a fraction of a meter. It's like those fish eggs people eat. They're really expensive.
Caviar.
Oh my god. He wants more, dude. He wants more embryos. You guys want some pomegranates? Alright, so I played some Terraria today, and I failed to kill the wall of Flash, so I decided to just drown my Saros.
Oh yeah, guys, I totally forgot.
Actually,
if you wanna add me on Skype,
pomegranate vodka. Jamba Juice, as long as it's like a flavor, you can get anything you want in there. It's just, you just want it to be flavored like fruit. And then they add like some vitamin C. The flavor like fibers also.
So I'm gonna upload a vlog.
You want a straw?
Dude, if you can figure that out, that'd be wonderful. He can totally use a straw. He's really smart. You can tell because he's quiet.
Sorry,
He doesn't talk a lot. Smart people are usually pretty silent. Like they sit in the front of the class, they just let.
Sorry, Toby Turner. I really need to. Oh, another YouTuber. Okay, you know what's funny about YouTube? I mean, you can meet different kind of people, and it's so amazing. Hi. And also, and now he's stupid. So, anyways, I met this guy when I went to the YouTube gathering. Okay, then not, shall we? And yeah, it was great meeting him. Okay, gonna put the internet cable in my other computer.
Wait, just a few seconds.
Sometimes like an old woman, and I'm only 21. What is wrong with that picture? I don't know. Anyways, come here, you. Oh shoot.
Just wait. Oh god. Oh god, oh god.
Come here. Got it. Internet cable. Ooh, gotta be careful for my headset. Internet cable go in the hole. Thank you.
Was that not so hard to do? Guess it was.
So tomorrow I have to go to the people downstairs because of the fact that something went wrong. My mom put money on my bank account and it's not on my bank account, so we're gonna figure that out tomorrow. First off, I'm sorry if I'm irritating. Okay, I need to keep this one. The rest can go. This one you need to keep. Okay, first put this one on YouTube. Awesome, I got a new subscriber. It is 1 minute vlog. Yay! So now I'm at like 130, I guess. Oh, wait. I don't know. No, 129 still. Okay, but it doesn't matter. So, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to me. Awesome. I hope you enjoy my vlogs, and yeah. It's gonna be epic. So yeah, I'm gonna stop my vlog. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.